Do you need to reseal the edges after patching a pothole to prevent water ingress and future damage? When you finish compacting a pothole repair, resealing the edges with a compatible driveway edge sealant or bitumen paint greatly reduces the chance of water seeping under the patch and causing early failure. Use a brush or small trowel to apply a thin bead of sealant along the joint where the new material meets the old surface, keeping the layer continuous but not excessive so it does not puddle. Work only when the surface temperature is within the product range and the asphalt or cold patch is fully compacted and cool to the touch so the sealant bonds properly. If the repair is temporary or weather is very dry and short-term, you can skip sealing, but plan to revisit and seal or replace the patch when scheduling allows. For driveway or low-volume surfaces, bitumen paint is often sufficient and easy to apply, while higher stress areas benefit from a hot applied or solvent-based edge sealant for greater flexibility. Always clean the joint of dust, loose aggregate, and standing water before applying sealant, and follow cure times stated by the manufacturer to avoid trapping moisture under the bead. Common mistakes include leaving the joint unsealed, which lets freeze and thaw cycles pry the patch loose, so apply a continuous bead of edge sealant after compaction and allow proper cure. Another frequent issue is applying sealant over a dirty or wet edge that prevents adhesion, so always sweep and dry the seam before sealing or use a quick solvent wipe if compatible. A third problem is over-applying thick blobs that do not dry uniformly and attract dirt. Therefore, lay a neat, thin bead and smooth it with a gloved finger or small spatula to ensure even coverage and prevent tracking. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find trusted local contractors for repairs like pothole sealing and offers practical how-to guides we can use ourselves. We also help contractors find work and connect in our discussion community where we share tips, ask questions, and compare techniques.